Okay, I thought I'd just give you a couple of questions, and I have some other videos, but a few people have asked some questions on these ones. So I'm looking at number 6 there. So the question says silver bicarbonate, and I have to write down a formula for it. Okay, let's look up silver. Where's silver? Right there. And I look at charges, and there's only one listed, as opposed to something like copper, where there's two listed. If there's two listed, it's a type 2 compound. If there's only one like silver, it's a type 1 compound. Okay, so it's a type 1er. So I looked up silver down there, and it had a plus charge on it, 1 plus. So I have silver is a 1 plus. And then bicarbonate. And it has an 8 in it, so I'm thinking it's probably a polyatomic ion. So I'm looking for bicarbonate. I see carbonate here and hydrogen carbonate, and there's probably some other ones with carbonate in it. Anyway, with this one, they used to include it, they don't anymore. Bicarbonate is the same thing as hydrogen carbonate. So that's the one that you need right there. So it's Ag and HCO3, and its charges are 1 minus. Since both charges match, 1 plus and a 1 minus, then I don't need to do any other fixing of the charges. So the formula for that will just be AgHCO3. Okay, so AgHCO3. I wanted to do another one, this one right there, the gold one. So they say write the formula for gold 2 cyanide. Okay, now just because they indicated a 2 there, I'm thinking it's a type 2 compound. Problem is, and this is one of the mistakes I made in making up the worksheet, but when you look at gold, where's gold? Uh-oh, it's under there. You look at gold, and its charges are 3 or 1, not 2 like they've set up above there. So according to this periodic table, that formula or that name is incorrect. And so you can choose not to do that question, or you can make up your own. Why don't we make up gold, and why don't we use the 3 version instead of the 2 that was wrong? There could be some periodic tables that list gold as having a charge of 2, but we're going by our periodic table, which says gold is a 1 plus or a 3 plus, not a 2. So if I have gold 3 cyanide, and I want to write the formula for that, so I have gold, and it's a 3 plus charge, and then cyanide. That's probably one of these down here too. Oh, cyanide right there. Cn with a minus. So cyanide is Cn, capital C, capital N with a minus. Charges don't balance. So to balance them, I'd actually need 3 of these. That would give me a total of 3 minus, and so that would balance out this 3 plus. So the formula for that one would be AU, you just have one of those, and then CN, you have 3 of those. Now I can't just put a 3 here because that indicates that only nitrogen has a 3. So if a polyatomic, if you need more than one of those, we put those in brackets like this to indicate that I have 3 of everything that's in brackets. All right, hopefully that helps you out with those couple questions.